Alright then folks, here we have a Logic combi boiler. I've took the front off already, and this plastic, there's a plastic tube in the middle. It was the bin day today, so it made sense just to whip that off and get rid of it, and then we can strip it down. So yeah, we've got some brass in there, some copper, motor, we've got some cast, and obviously another motor, so job's a good one. So let's strip it and see what we get. Alright, so first we're going to remove any screws. There's some screws at the top here and there's some screws at the bottom. Basically, if you see anything, take it out. See what'll go in here then. So we need to set that off to get in here. So we need an Allen key for them bolts. These are all unscrew lock. So unscrewed. So right, that's as much as I think we can do with that. Let's get some spanners. Alright then folks, so just unscrew this one. Loosen that one off. Loosen that one off. Loosen that one off. So we'll deal with this bit now. We'll get to that in a minute. So put all this to one side. Right, everybody come out obviously. So I'll just loosen this. Set this one off. So that's that one off. Can't see now why we can't just tip this over and get everything out of it. What's that? Let's give them a quick tap. Alright, I'm going to take that bit of plastic out there, look. Let's get that out. Right, that just pushed out easily. Copper. this one there. Strip the brass off this, take the plastic off that, and sort these plumps out. So I'll bring you back in a minute and we'll tidy up and see what we've got. Alright, so that's this broken down. Well, almost. Just going to need to unscrew these Allen keys now. Pull that bit out of brass out of there. And we've got motor. So yeah, that's what we've got. Obviously I need to clean this plastic off this. This is cast alley because old roads is my yard, so I don't really need to clean it up too much. But happy days. So yeah, so we've got some brass, some copper, some singles, a motor, a big chunk of cast alley, and another motor there. So yeah, that's the logic boiler. So yeah, that's the rest of it, and this is what we want. Cheers folks. So that's it. Brass and copper, 2 motors, cast alley, and some singles. Cheers folks.